Have you ever bought brand new headset accessories and you get home and you can't figure out how to put it on your headset? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with a David Clark headset. I'm Katie with Banyan Pilot Shop. Come on and follow me. So the first thing you want to do is remove your old ear seals, which you do just by pulling on them. It's very nice and easy. The second thing is you want to take a look at your new ear seal, and you want to look at where the lip is on the ear seal itself. And you can kind of move your finger around it to get comfortable with the ear seal itself. The next thing we're going to do is basically put the ear seal at a 90-degree angle like this on the lip of the ear cup. We're then going to put our finger here and spin the ear seal around. In the meantime, we're going to take our finger here and we're going to spin it around the inside like this while it's on the ear seal. So 90 degrees, hold it on, spin it, and then take your finger all the way around, and boom, we already have it perfectly on the ear seal. Now, if you notice that it's a little bit askew, you can easily just twist it once it's on the ear seal so that you make sure that it is matching the side of the cup. And so once more, we just go 90 degrees, spin it around, go around the inside of the ear seal with our finger, and our ear seals are done. Very nice and easy. The next thing we're going to do is change our mic muff. Now, the first thing you want to do is to take the O-ring and insert it over the microphone, and you can let it hang out down here. Then we're going to put the sponge onto the microphone, and you can do that kind of wiggling, or you can take the bottom of it and push down a little bit. And once you have it nice and secure, you're now going to worry about the O-ring. Okay, if you put the sponge on first and then the O-ring, you risk tearing that brand new sponge. Okay, so we're going to want to take the O-ring in our hand now, and you want to take just a regular pencil, or you could take a screwdriver, anything like that that's going to be nice and small. And you're going to put it through the O-ring down here where there's plenty of space. And then we're going to rotate it around the microphone, the boom. And you're just going to keep rotating until you get it up to the right spot. And then you just pull your pencil out. So really nice and easy, just a couple little steps to put brand new ear seals and mic muff on your David Clark headset.